Hello kids, I hope you're all fine. Today we'll be starting an art session wherein we'll be drawing a vegetable vendor. A vegetable vendor we'll be drawing in a portrait style which will have only a face, neck and shoulders. To begin, we'll need a drawing book, sketch pens, colors, and if in case you don't have a drawing book, an art sheet should be fine. To start, we'll put the paper horizontal. On the horizontal page, on this side, we'll start drawing the portrait. I'm drawing with a marker so that it's easily visible to you. You may do it with a pencil and then trace it with a marker. In case you don't have a marker, you may use a black sketch pen, or you may also use any other colored sketch pen to do the same. Now when I'm drawing it, I have drawn a portrait. This is a simple structure of a portrait where this is the face, neck and the shoulders. As I told you, we won't be drawing anything else, only the face and the neck of the portrait. We'll first add a turban over here. To give a little then we may add the eyes, the line for the nose straight to the center, big eyes. Always a picture looks beautiful with a big expressive eyes. Then we may add his mustache. Usually all the vegetable vendors, they have a mustache like this just to make it interesting. Mouth and a chin. We forgot making the ears. Let's add the ears over here. And if you have observed, the vegetable vendors, they do wear a little earring kind of thing. His kurta. And we can add some designs here in his mustache to give a nice feeling of a 3D effect. Right? Now our vegetable vendor is ready. Now we'll draw a background. Background will have vegetables in it. For drawing the vegetables, I'll be making just the shelves over here. So this is my first shelf. We won't draw too many of them. We'll draw just some of them, and they should be huge enough to make it easy for us to color. So I have divided it in such a way. Now I'll just make these lines double so that it gives the feeling of a wooden plank, all of them. As I told you, we'll not draw too many small vegetables, instead of which we'll be drawing only huge 2 to 3. Can you guess which did I draw? Vegetable? Yeah, that's a brinjal. So as I told you, only 2 to 3. You may draw it as big as you want. So whichever vegetable that you are drawing, keep in mind that you just draw huge, just 2 to 3 pieces of them. Then the second line, I think I'll draw some tomatoes. Tomatoes are very easy to draw, just semicircles, not exactly semicircles, little bigger than the semicircles. And there should be a little green thing that is there on the tomatoes. Now the third line, I'll draw some cauliflowers. The cauliflowers are easy. You just need to draw some cloud like this and make some birds flying, and then add leaves around. Now since the cauliflower is a big one, we'll just draw two. That should be fine. Birds and some leafy things. We have some place here. We can add some leaves this side also. And the last one, I think I'll draw some potatoes. Potatoes are easy to draw, just a random shape, just like this. Potatoes also, I think we'll just draw two of them. And some scales inside, some brown dots that a potato usually have. Now our picture is ready. I feel this side it is little empty, so I'll add one more vegetable this side, the same vegetable, and we'll draw it the same on the other side. Here also one more cauliflower, a cloud. And the picture is ready. Now to start with coloring, I've done some basic coloring just to show you. You may change certain colors like the clothes of the vegetable vendor. In the turban, we'll be doing some shading, wherein I'm taking a darker shade, which I'll be merging it with white. Now here I'll be just putting the color near the lines so that I can merge them with white. This is the way I'm putting a dark color. I've taken blue over here. You may take any other darker shade that you wish to. Then with using white, I'll be just merging the color around the places that I have left in the turban. You can just see I'm merging it with white. Here, can you see the merged portion? It will give a little 3D effect to the picture, like this. I'm not showing you the full thing. Okay, let's finish it up. This also, it's just a little left. So this way. I just merged all the colors, color with white, and it will give me a finished look like this. Now I've just kept this ready. The brinjals I've just taken violet or purple, you may take any one, and then this also I'm again going to mix up with white like this. You can just leave a little space and mix it up with white. This will give you a feeling of shading in your picture like this. See, you'll just place the purple color or a violet color, whichever you wish to, and then take white and merge both the sides. In case you don't have white, you can merge it with pink as well. I'll just show you one for sample. It will look like this. That's also not bad, right? Then for the tomatoes, I have done one and that's ready. And here instead of white, I'll be merging it with little bit of orange, so that gives a shade like this. Okay, here in the cauliflower, we are not coloring the whole cauliflower. What we'll do is we'll just do some scribbling like this only in the outer line that we have given. The center part we'll leave it white. If you wish, here you may just add a little bit of white over it and merge it in the center like this, just if you wish to. Now coming to the potatoes. Potatoes, I've just put a little bit of skin tone over here, and then with yellow ochre color, I'm just merging the rest of the place. Like this. So this is almost ready. I'll be finishing up all these background places with different kind of lines, just standing lines and with different colors. So I have finished the picture with doing lines in the background. I have taken different colors in different around the different vegetables. You may use your own creativity and use the colors by your choice. So the picture is ready. This is a vegetable vendor. I hope you enjoyed doing the picture. Once you finish coloring and it's bright and vibrant, send the picture to your class teachers.